Hey, time travelers! Welcome back to Time Traveling Housewife. Today, we're turning back the jukebox to the fabulous 1950s, when drive-in movies, soda fountains, and rock and roll ruled the dating scene. Grab your milkshakes and poodle skirts because we're diving into the dreamy world of 1950s Valentine's Day traditions. Picture this, it's Valentine's Day, 1955. You and your sweetheart cruise up to the local drive-in theater in a shiny Chevy Bel Air. Popcorn in hand, windows down, you're watching a romantic flick under the stars. Pure magic, right? Here's a fun fact. Did you know that drive-ins were the place for couples to hang out in the 50s? At their peak, there were over 4,000 drive-in theaters across the country. And let's not forget the iconic soda fountain date. Sweethearts would cozy up on red vinyl stools, sharing a chocolate malt with 2 straws. Nothing says, "Be mine," like a cherry on top. Want to recreate the vibe? Throw a retro-themed Valentine's date at home with root beer floats and a jukebox playlist of Elvis and Buddy Holly hits. Of course, Valentine's wouldn't be complete without some adorable handmade cards. In the 50s, it was all about bright colors, playful puns, and hearts everywhere. Think you're the bee's knees. Why not craft your own 1950s-inspired Valentine this year? Use vintage-style paper, doilies, and cute puns to bring that nostalgic charm to life. Thanks for taking this rockin' trip down memory lane with me. Whether you're sipping a milkshake or crafting a Valentine, I hope this inspired you to bring a little vintage magic to your day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more time-traveling adventures. Until next time, stay fabulous, time travelers. Bye for now.